Yo, welcome to Build Something TV. We are going to get with this noise today. You can't have a car like this and rolling and it makes noise like you know what I mean? I know what it is. I'm gonna give you guys a few seconds to figure it out as I twirl the wheel. I already know what you guys are thinking. You guys are thinking, hey, it gotta be the dust shield. It's not the dust shield. So we're gonna take the wheel off and we're just gonna show you what it is. It could be this for your car. I doubt it. I think it's just because of this old ass car. So we're gonna go and take the wheel off and see what it is. All right. What do you guys think it is? What do you guys think it is? What do you guys think it is? I know what it is. So let's take this thing off. All right, so here it is. Let me show you guys. It's the chrome. That's what this is. I can't even cruise up to pick up people because this pieces of chrome is the main issue. And also this causes tire leaks once the chrome starts to get pitted. So got most of it cleaned out. It's a mess. I think the wheel needs to be rebalanced. Slap it on, but main side will probably be the and that's how to do that. So now lower this thing down and then we get to the junkyard. They have Crown Victorias here. Look at that nice thing over there. And then they have this Expedition here that they chop, which is ridiculous, which I kind of dig, but it's ridiculous. You know, we're going to go keep looking for these engines, and we're going to go inside one of the trailers and check out and see if there's any engines inside of this place here. We also have a Bronco that's here, and it has the big motor in it, but we're not looking for that, but we're going to keep going. All right, so let's go inside these trailers. You know, there is some motors back there, but it ain't much, if anything, back there that we need. So what we did find was an Explorer motor, but this is the type with the coil packs. It does have the wire harness to it. This may be the deal that we need, but we got to check the price on it and everything like that. We got into another trailer. We got V6s, V8s, Toyotas, all of the. Then we came down to a Mountaineer, another one. 9.9, another Mountaineer joint. Coil packs. So we're going to keep on looking. Should be something else. Dodge Ram, some other stuff. So yeah, steady looking, man. We steady looking. All right, I had to cut that junkyard video short. A lot of clips were missing. I got discouraged with the price of the engines. It said $400. Okay, $400. You know, but those are the heads that you guys were talking about, right? Okay, here's the thing. It's going to be pricey doing this swap. Now, I found a 1999 running Explorer. No problem. I can't even piece the car out because I don't have any room to even piece the car out to make some money on the back end with parts. Good trans, good this, good that, all that stuff. Can't do it. Now, just with the swap alone to do that, it's going to be at least $2,000 just to get the car running. If I get lucky and find a carb engine, it ain't going to have the nice heads and blah, 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 blah. I still need engine frame mounts for the Maverick and the cross member. That conversion kit, you know, if I make my own, They got it already prefab, ready to go. It's only like what? That's like $400. So we're gonna pump the brakes on that until we hit the swap meet, because that's where I probably will find the engine that we need to put it inside that Maverick. But next day, we got Let It Snow. It's fucking snowing out here. I mean, yo, dudes, y'all don't understand how this works. Mind you, that was yesterday, that video. That was the other day. This is the next day. See this? And it was thundering, and it was a thunderstorm while it was snowing. It's crazy. So you know what I'm gonna do? Spend my time. I am going to break that ignition out. We're gonna sit here and try to figure this thing out. Let's look at it for a little bit. All right, we're looking at it. We're looking at it. We're looking at it. We're looking at it. We got it. We're gonna gut it out. This is some bullshit I'm about to do. Now we go a step bigger. Woo, I have dug this shit. I figured, you know, it gotta be a way to do this thing. I know the proper ways to take this steering thing out, but I'm just being an asshole and seeing if I can yank this out like this. There's some pins right here that I'm taking out. I took out the one on this side. I'm taking out this one. I don't think I should take it out, but fuck it. I just gotta remember how it comes out. So it comes out like that with the bump kind of up. So we're taking out two of them. I shouldn't have did this, but you know, I'm getting to the point that I don't give two shits. All right, here, right there, that's where the tumblers are at. So you definitely got to get down to that. I had demolished this. I know you guys are like, you lazy fuck. Yeah, it's pure laziness, man, pure laziness. But it is, man. It ain't nothing else to really say about that. All right, see this one piece right here? That is the part where they said that's the pin. If I can get this thing out, hopefully I can show you the pin, but the pin is probably still in there. Yay! And this is terrible. I shouldn't have done this. I'm gonna regret it later. I got that middle piece out. Once you pull out that pin, and then everything else will kind of collapse in there. So now somehow I got to go in there with air and kind of clean that out. All right, we have the lock here. You guys look at it and say, oh man, it's brand new. This is the right joint for it. Actually, it isn't, because I have the piece that I broke out, and this is the pin. You see it? It is, this one here is too wide, and this one here is thinner, and the thing is smaller. So this is not the right one. Wrong size. So it happens. So I have to go and order another one, and this is what happened. But we do have it out, so that's a good thing, right? Right. So you guys, thank you guys for watching Build Something TV. I know this was a hack job. Leave me alone. But yeah, luckily I didn't try to jam this thing in there, and use my second sense and made sure everything was legit. And this thing is not. This is the right one, and the other one that's in my hand over here is not the right joint. Wider. All right, see you guys. Let me go take pictures of this and send it to the guy, and hopefully he'll give me another one. See ya.